down the road, if you get to a point where you don't like your job and you don't have a plan for why you're there, it's time to make a plan. Because life is short. I mean, it's shorter for some of us than others, but it's still short. And you want to enjoy it to the best of your ability. And a large part of that is your work. And I'll give you an example. Being an attorney was very lucrative for me. My clients loved my work, but I was never very happy doing it. I had been a police officer, as you heard, and I loved being a cop. I mean, I felt great. When I took my uniform off at night, I felt like I was the one wearing the white hat. I got a lot of personal gratification out of that. But I just never liked being a lawyer, because when I became a civil litigator, I was always somebody's hired gun. I wasn't fighting for what was right. I was fighting for them. And whether they were right or wrong, I fought their fight. And that just didn't sit well with me. Now, I have friends who are litigators, and they absolutely love it. And if you end up deciding to go further in your education, you go to law school, you may love it, but it's a personal decision. It just wasn't for me. So I set my sights on becoming a judge. I figured that as a judge, you're trying to do the right thing, which is what I enjoyed about police work, and that I knew would be gratifying, and so I decided that's what I wanted to do. Now, I could have found personal satisfaction working as an attorney in another field, maybe becoming a prosecutor, or maybe working for an organization or a cause I believed in, but I just chose the judiciary. Unfortunately, with that career change came a 60% pay cut, which that surprised me a little bit. But yeah, the reality is that successful lawyers make a lot more money than good judges, or even bad judges. Actually, good judges and bad judges make the same amount of money, but the practice of law is very lucrative. Doesn't seem fair, that's the way it goes. But I made the switch, and I'll tell you, I never regretted it for a second. I am so delighted I made that switch. I might have regretted it when I had to give up a vacation here and a set of season tickets there, but I had something that was so much more valuable. Every day when I woke up, I loved going to work. I looked forward to going to work. You know that feeling when you're a young kid and you got school Monday morning, and Sunday you are just like dreading it? When you have a job you don't like, that's the feeling you get, okay? And when you have a job that you love to do, you look forward to that Monday morning. And that is so, so important. You're going to trust me on this. You need to find a career you really enjoy, because you're going to be doing it every day.